Hello, it is July 12th and it is probably about 1:30 in the afternoon. Me and Timothy, it's Wednesday, so it's hump day. We're coming into the weekend. But me and Timothy are going out and we are doing some running. We have to go to Target, Sam's Club. I think those are the only two places, right? So, yeah.
I believe so.
And we got a little list going, so we got to go grab some just little bits of things like, you know, freezer bags, stuff like that. A birthday card. Yeah. It's really, really, really gorgeous out here. It is 90, it's in the high 90s today. I think 97 is what it is today, so it is warm. Okay, we are off to get our shopping done. I gotta tell you something. I think we just might have a drinking problem. Let me show you what we got at Sam's and Target. Okay, we grabbed another 24 pack of the peach iced tea. They also have mango there. I would love to try the mango one day, but we're just kind of obsessed with the peach one. Grabbed some mocha Starbucks Frappuccino. We needed some freezer quart. I needed quite a few, so I went ahead and grabbed a great big huge box of them. And then we love the Tropicana apple juice at Sam's. Really, really tasty. Okay, at Target, because my children are spoiled, we got Justin some Dots and Tim some Skittles. I mean, they'll share, you know, but that's what he picked out. And we grabbed a birthday card for our neighbor. Her birthday is coming up. And these trash bags by Up and Up at Target are the best. When you pull one out, another one pops up. They're durable. They have the tie, you know, pieces on, so you can just tie them in a knot. I really, really like these garbage bags from Target for the bathroom garbages. Okay, me and Timmy just did a couple little clips for a thumbnail because I want to grab a picture out of it for a thumbnail. Let me show you what it takes to put together just a little clip of a thumbnail. Do it. Let me see. Or should we go?
Like that or like?
Wait, don't go backwards, wait. I can do any of this.
Okay, so.
Okay, you're still turned. You gotta turn it. Your thumb's in the camera. It's not that easy, is it? Stop. You're wasting my recording. You gotta get you in, Tim.
Oh yeah, okay, here.
Yeah. He held the camera and he kept going, move. I'm like, stop. Then his thumb gets in the way. I'm like, stop. Do it like this. Do it like that. Okay. We have dun dishes to do.
thank you, Chris, so much for sending these. I really appreciate it. Woohoo! Justin got his cookies.
Thank you, Chris. What a sweet, sweet thing that you did for Justin and us. Justin, are you going to share?
Hashtag Justin got his cookies.
Are you going to share?
No.
Hey!
They were sent for me specific.
Well,
I just want a cookie.
I don't share
Then
very
you're not
well.
grab my Challenger when I get it.
good morning. It is Thursday, July 13th. Jules is going potty. And I am out of here to a hair appointment to get a trim. I'm trying to fit in all these little extra appointments this week just in case I end up having jury duty starting Monday. I call in Sunday to see if I have it. So hopefully I don't. But if I do, I figure I better get everything lined up because in the following week my sister and my nieces are coming in. So, okay, I'm going to get out of here. I go to a walk-in hair place, and so I try to get there as soon as the doors open and then get right in and get it over, you know, not over with, but get it done. So that's what I want to do. And they open up at 9, and it is 8:30, so I'm going to get going and be ready for when those doors open. Okay, I just got out of the hair place. I love it. It just feels good when you get a trim. I had to go just a little bit shorter because my hair grows out so quickly. But before I left, here I was trying to get out of the house and get here before the doors opened. And I walked out and there was some birds fluttering around and they had a baby bird was around my car, and of course the little stinker hopped underneath my tires. And I was like, oh my, I couldn't. Jay was like, just back out real slow because I got a hold of him. And I'm like, I have a baby bird under my car. And he's like, back out real slow. And I'm like, no, because if I would have killed him, I'd have felt so bad. So I opened the garage door and got out a big old push broom. And I got him out from under the car with the push broom. I was like, come on, little buddy. Neighbors probably thought I was completely insane because I was talking to him the whole time. So I got him out from under the car and he hopped right into my garage. So I got the car out of the driveway, put it in the street, and went in and was chasing him around the garage and talking to him, you know. Hey, buddy, come on, buddy, go this way, go that way, come on, buddy. Oh my goodness, the one neighbor, he just kind of kept looking at me. I'm like, sorry, I'm trying to coax a baby bird out of my garage. But I got him out of the garage and I got here and it wasn't too busy at all. So I had to wait a few minutes, but it's not a big deal. All right, if I can find him when I get home, I will show you him because he is the cutest. I told Jay, I said, I want to keep him so bad. He's so little and fuzzy and adorable. Oh, okay, if I can find him, I'll show you. I'm going to get out of here. I am starving, so I want to go home and eat something. Are you exhausted? Oh. Okay, I just took Jules for her walk because it's 80 degrees at like 10:30 in the morning. It's almost 11 now. So I like to get her out when it's still, you know, kind of cool a little bit. It's not really even cool. Who am I kidding? It really isn't. But the breeze is blowing, so that's nice. That baby bird, I can't find him. So I'm going to keep my eyes open for him though, because I definitely do not want Jules getting a hold of him. Oh, that'd be disastrous. So I'll keep my eye open for him, definitely. Do you hear her drinking water? Just like, oh, Mama's recording. Here, let me drink some water. Did you get a good drink? Okay, oh, look at those dishes. Oh, it's the story of my life. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm gonna warm up what we had for dinner last night. It's a pork and pineapple luau crock pot recipe. I did film it and I will be having that up, coming up soon. So it's delicious. So I'm gonna warm that up and I think that's what I'm gonna have for lunch today. This is what happens when I don't cover food in the microwave. I only put it in for a few seconds in it. dispersed all over. So now I have quite a mess to clean up. Ew. Timmy.
Yes.
Would you want to clean that up?
No.
Okay, me and Timothy are headed off to the library. Where is it? What is it that you wanted to get?
A book for computer programming to see if I can make a game while on summer vacation.
Are you supposed to be doing that?
No.
His teachers want to teach him. They don't want him looking it up, but he's bored.
Well, they never
Are you
said
bored?
that. Yeah, I actually am bored without programming.
I don't think this is closed right because the sun's coming through. Isn't that weird? Okay, no, don't. What if it doesn't close right? Justin will kill us. Don't tell Justin. Yeah, but Timmy, look, that part's broke up there. Oh my goodness, Justin's gonna kill us. We gotta close this.
No, it's like that on your side too.
Okay, ready to get out of here?
Yes.
All right. Timothy is having no luck finding the books. Still searching?
Yeah.
They don't have anything for gaming for adults. They have it for kids. Maybe that's a sign he's not supposed to do that.
Which is so below me.
It is. It is. That they have it for kids instead of adults.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
Yeah. But that's because they want the adults to go to college.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so too.
Well, because this is one of those rare places where you don't even need a college degree to get a job as a game designer. All you need is experience. So if you check out books at the library and make games, that's experience, and you can bring that to the companies and they can hire you through that. But I decided to go for a degree.
Yeah, a degree. Have that under your belt, a little extra. Do you see that? It's a fire. Wow, that's a big one. That's awful. Hello, today is Friday the 14th. And it is about 20 after 2 in the afternoon. Me and Timothy are just laying low today, and we just are staying home. I'm getting some editing done, uploading videos for the week that you're watching this, and doing stuff like that, things that need done. So I'm pretty excited that I'm getting things accomplished and just staying home. Yeah. I wanted to tell you that the week that my sister and my nieces are here, which is the 24th through the 28th, I will not be on YouTube. I'm not going to upload any videos. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take that week off. I really want to just focus on them for the week and just put all of my energy into them for the week. I mean, it's been 3 years since I've seen them, so, and I will be recording and I will be vlogging, definitely, and making videos along the way, but for the week that they are here, I'm not going to do that, because I was thinking if I uploaded videos, I would feel really bad if I wasn't getting back to you in the comments. I would feel horrible. So I'm going to go ahead and just take that week off. So that'll be my little vacation, YouTube vacation. Tonight for dinner, we are just I'm gonna keep it easy. We're gonna actually eat at home this whole entire weekend, so that if I do get jury duty next week, we can eat out some of the days next week and I don't have to rush home and cook dinner and stuff like that. So tonight I'm going to do a Mexican night, and we're gonna do tamales and that cheesy Mexican rice that you can get at Walmart in the taco aisle. And then I'm gonna actually make some homemade chips. So you take corn tortillas and we cut them into like 4, 6, 8, however you want to do it, and then you put a little bit of oil in the pan and you just fry them up in the pan, and then that way I can control the salt, because there are a lot of times where we'll buy chips and the chips are so crazy salty. So I decided to just make homemade chips with our little Mexican night tonight. So that's what we're gonna do for dinner. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to close out this vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out with us again this week. We love it. We love having you with us, and we love having you in our lives. If you haven't yet, will you please hit that subscribe button? I would love to have you stick around. I will talk to you later. Bye.